safe on the skin, paint, rubber, like if your Velcro on your tools gets filled up, and you know, if you power wash too much, the Velcro breaks down, or if you scrub it too much. This stuff, it's just like Alka-Seltzer basically with calcium-based components. So, but it doesn't do anything to skin, unless the skin's got calcium-based waste on it, meaning like concrete. But I've actually taken a piece of concrete from outside, put it inside a glass or a plastic bowl, it doesn't matter, and it bubbles like Alka-Seltzer. So it actually takes apart the calcium bonds that hold the concrete together. In this case, concrete dust is calcium-based, so it's attacking that. And and I've done it before, if I have dust on my hands, I might feel a little bit of heat, but that's just the effervescence as it basically just bubbles it off. There's that slight reaction, but there's no chemical burn like a muriatic acid or anything like that. Doesn't hurt vinyl, doesn't hurt anything other than calcium-based products. It'll flash rust metal, so like some metals will actually turn orange pretty quick. But aside from that, especially if this diamond's going to get thrown back on a machine and run anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's not going to hurt anything. Might not look pretty, but once it goes back to work, it doesn't look pretty anyway. But to just take stuff like that off, which this stuff, I mean, this is just, you know, a little bit of waste on here, but what happens with this stuff, it's like clay particles. So the material, if you build it up enough, eventually it gets so packed together so tight that you need a power washer or a screwdriver or something to scrape it off. Where chemically it just attacks it, just takes it apart, grain by grain, for lack of a better term. But it only will attack that calcium. And you can see it freshly bubbles again. As soon as it finds a new, fresh site to work with, it'll go to work. It's a 1 pH, so it is a very strong acid, but it's a very specific acid. That's the thing. So I mean, it's been engineered for that, but despite it being a 1 pH, it doesn't hurt anything but what it's supposed to.